So hello everyone, this is Vishal Singhal, founder of CSSmartKids, a platform where we nurture kids to be AI superstars. And today we have Mr. Monimoy and Monirupa with us. So Monimoy is father of Ms. Monirupa, who's attending our program, and they will be sharing their opinions with us on how's the program like. Right. So welcome both of you. I would like you to please introduce yourself once again as to where you are based, which company is Mr. Monimoy working, and which city or country you are in. And Monirupa, if you can tell us which grade and which school are you in?
Okay.
Hi, my name is Monimoy. I am currently working as a senior staff engineer in Juniper Networks. Okay, so I work in networking domain and especially how to use the AI ML in the networking domains. Those areas I work on. Okay.
Monirupa?
Hi, I'm Monirupa. I am in 10th grade right now and I attend with Cure High.
Okay. And you guys are in Bangalore or elsewhere?
Yeah, we
we are in
live in
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Okay. Thank you. So, since you both are in Mr. Monimoy and your wife, I think both of you are in tech jobs. So, what motivated you to make your daughter join CSSmartKids program, or what are the reasons you can name a few to choose our program?
Okay. So from her childhood, Monirupa, I saw some inclination towards doing programming and stuff. Okay, so let me tell you my background and things. Okay, because my mother was a mathematics masters. Okay, so she got a inherently mathematics inclination from the beginning, from her childhood itself. I saw her inclinations and things. Okay, and she used to do some of the small things demos. I probably show one of the small things they did using the Google Tensor APIs. Okay, I'll just probably present it some point of time. Okay. And then incidentally, I actually took some courses in the CSStrat advanced AI courses on NLP and AGI graph stuff. Okay, so I was very I saw that how quality courses are given by CSStrat and stuff, and then I came to know about CS Kids, and they are giving the Python programs for the kids. And incidentally, she is also her curriculum also includes some of the programming stuff, though it is in Java, but of course one language if knowledge can be transferable, right? Okay, so then I asked her, are you interested in things? She was, yeah, I'm very much keen. And I told that you can become maybe a AIML stuff in future stuff. Okay, I wanted to things. Okay, so that actually I told her, and she is interested. That's how she joined in. And that time her summer vacation was going on, so I thought that let her take this time to learn something, right? Okay.
Okay, thank you. So, Monirupa, a question to you. Uh, how do you feel before the program and after attending the program, and what motivates you to keep coming back to the classes?
I actually was learning Java in school. I'm still learning Java in school. Yeah, it taught me the structures of how to program properly and the syntax of the programming and
Okay, okay,
Object-oriented things, right?
yes.
sure. So, and Mr. Manimai, would you be able to comment on being a techie yourself and having either learning with us or working in your own company? In the company, you yourself are very much aware about AI stuff, and your wife is also working as a data scientist. So
Yes.
why join our program? What made you join this program? Why not others? Why us?
You mean my daughters yet?
Correct.
Okay. No, I saw this dedication and stuff, right? Okay. And I saw that this is fully focused on making the children into the programming stuff. Okay, so I can tell you is that when we were child and things, we did not have an opportunity for programming. We used to see in our schools, okay, there is a BBC computer came and we used to say PPT and things, right? Okay, but now the generation has changed, and kids are even 12 years or 15 years kids are becoming CEOs of the companies, right? Okay, they're the futures of the youth stuff. Okay, and I saw the Salstrat actually has a lot of structures in it. Okay, and they're very systematic and take the feedbacks and think very positively. Okay, and make that child for the future stuff. Okay, and I can probably demo a small one. Okay, to show Monirupa's how she did some NLP API, right? And she already did some projects in the Sestral also, right? Forex conversion and I think date conversion stuff. Okay, and I want in the future he to be in AI and things. Okay, and I want to show you, if you have permission, I can show you a demo. Okay.
She also participated in our recent showcase, and I'm pleased to say that her video is one of the most watched ones on the showcase itself, in the video on our YouTube channel.
So
it was tremendously liked by a lot of people.
Yeah, this is really glad to know, Vishal. Okay, so this is just one second. Let me play it again. Okay, so this can you see my desktop or?
Yeah.
Okay, so this video is based on this Hindi, is the Machli Jalkirani, right? That is based on this this poetry, right? Okay, what she did is that she actually gave the Hindi to Japanese translation. She used the Google translator and make it Japanese stuff, and she created an animation. This picture, whatever they in the animation, right? So she used some tool and a clip or something like this. Okay, and then she created a animation and using the Google translator and things, LLP and all this API. Okay. Just want to play that, and I just want to show that. Okay. Now I just wanted to focus on that future children and stuff, right? They are more tech oriented, tech savvy and stuff. Okay, and we need to inculcate their interest in it, right? That's what AI can do and stuff. And a right platform is needed. Okay, and probably CSSmartKids actually gives a right platform for them to grow. Okay.
Right. So would you be able to, like, do you think it is recommendable to other kids of her age? And why would you do that, or why Monirupa would do that? What would make her do, like, recommend her this program to her friends?
Should I give the answer?
Or? Both of you can share your views.
So in my opinion, okay, kids means having is not only our natural language or mother tongue and things. Okay, nowadays you need to learn things like Python and all this, which are used in data science, and that making them ready for future proof is very important, or to make them competitive. Okay, this world is very competitive, right? So and nobody will wait for competition, right? Okay, if we're so it's the skill development, what overall skill development is very important, and this is I think a platform for any kids to grow, and I feel that that they will get the right platform here. Okay, where mentors are very much kind of focused and they're very much educated, and most of them are working on AI ML areas, right? So they can actually guide into the stuff. Okay, so only one thing I want to tell you is that maybe we can make it kind of more interesting for them by projects which more interest them. Like I can tell you is that when I was doing my B actually initially, when I actually touched the computer first time, okay, BBC computers and things, I actually stuff, right? Okay, so that time itself, when I say graphics and things, it was making more interesting to me. Okay, because
Right.
so that I can do a lot of pictures and things. Okay, so what I want to say is that the children should be made about the interest and then learn together, right? So that way, if we can do it, then it will be a very great success actually. Okay, Monipa,
Sure.
add something?
Yeah, it
Right.
actually really helped me clear the logic and everything in my Java programs.
Right.
Like
Great.
when I was learning Java, there were some logic parts which I used to get confused in. So in Python, the teachers cleared those stuff. So
Great.
yeah,
Great.
it helps me understand the programs better and write more programs.
Nice. Nice. So, just one last question to both of you, whoever wants to respond to this. On a scale of 1 to 10, would you be able to rate us on scoring? Because generally speaking, in tech industry, at least net promoter scores plays a big role, both from client side as well as 360-degree perspective.
Right.
Uh, so, what score would you like to give us on this program?
Okay, so means honestly, if I give the score, I'll give the 9. Okay, I just keep
Wow.
room for 1, so that because we all learn, right? Even neural networks we need to learn, right?
Yes,
So
correct.
it is
Correct.
for
Correct.
getting the apex your stuff, right? Okay,
Sure.
and I feel that whatever I told, right, making a little bit of more interesting for them, right? Whatever graphics and things, so that they got not only learn program, they only know, okay, I can do those, I can do probably animations and all these things, very stuff, right? That will make them stuff. Okay.
Right. Right. Great. Thanks a lot. Thank you for the sharing, and thank you for coming on video and sparing your time.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's
I
my pleasure, our pleasure to interact with you. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you. So I look forward to possibly apply your suggestions and possibly delight you to get better rating next time.
Yeah.
Right.
No, no,
Sure.
I'm
Thank you.
sure. Things okay.
Thanks. Have a good day ahead.